Hello and welcome to this introductory course to Git. In this series of videos, we will teach you about the core concepts of Git and guide you through even more advanced techniques that you need to get started right inside of your project. So this course material includes the setup of Git on your local machine. After this, we will go into the staging concept of Git and how it works. Then we will start away and create our first commit. And as we have understood the core commands and concepts of Git, we will learn about what are branches. We will create different development branches and we will learn how we can integrate one branch into another branch. Doing this, so integration of branching, could be a little bit tricky, but there are different techniques we can use or utilize to making this happen. That's why we'll care about merging and especially the recursive merge and the fast-forward merge. And we will also learn about rebasing and the interactive rebase that Git provides. And after this, we will have a look on the server. We will learn how we can upload our changes to a server and integrate them on the server. And we will go the whole way back, meaning that we download development changes or commits from a Git server and how we can integrate those changes into our local development branch. So we will learn about cool aliases you can use in your shell right away, speeding up your work with Git. We will also learn how we can set up Visual Studio Code to acting as a diff and a merge tool. And finally, we will have a look on a plugin for Git called Rapid Git that makes you even more effective working on the shell with Git. I hope that some of these topics are interesting or sound interesting to you, and I am happy to see you in one of the following videos.